In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on Microsoft Teams, a skill that can be very useful for collaborating with your colleagues and streamlining your workflow. Let's dive in and take it one step at a time to make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see the Sign In button prominently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. If you're already logged in, it'll take you directly to your Teams dashboard, which saves you a little bit of time. After successfully signing in, look for the chat section. This is where all your communication happens and where we'll be working today. Click on chat and it'll take you to your message threads where you can see past conversations. Now, to upload a file, you'll need to choose a specific message thread where you want to upload this file. This could be a conversation with an individual or a group. Select the appropriate thread by clicking on it. Once you're in the message thread, direct your attention to the message input area at the bottom. You'll notice a little paperclip icon. This is your key to attaching files. Click on the paperclip icon and you'll see a few options pop up. Among these options, select Upload from this device to locate the file you want to share. A file browser window will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and directories. Find the file you wish to upload. This could be a document, an image, or any other type of file you need to share with your team. Once you've located the file on your computer, simply click on it and select Open. This will attach your chosen file to the message thread. You might want to double-check that you've selected the correct file. There's nothing worse than sending the wrong document in a professional setting. Finally, when you're ready, you can add some context to your message. Perhaps a note about why you're sending this file or any relevant details your recipient might need. Then hit Send, and your file will be sent along with your message. And there you have it. Following these simple steps allows you to easily upload files on Microsoft Teams. This function is incredibly powerful, whether you're working remotely or in an office. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy collaborating.